Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the hypervisor game crash error. First, we will disable Hyper-V using Windows Features. Open the Windows search bar, type Windows Features, and select Turn Windows Features on or off. When the window opens, scroll down until you find Hyper-V. Uncheck Hyper-V and all of its subcomponents, then click OK. Windows will apply the changes, and you will need to restart your computer. If you want a faster method, you can use Command Prompt. Open the search bar, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and choose Run as Administrator. In the window, type the following command exactly as it is shown, then press Enter. After you see the confirmation message, restart your PC. If your game continues to crash, you may also need to disable virtualization-based security and memory integrity. To do this, open the Windows search bar, type Core Isolation, and press Enter. In the Core Isolation settings, find Memory Integrity and switch it to Off. After making this change, restart your computer one more time. Once your system boots back up, launch your game and see if the crashing issue has been fixed. Thanks for watching.